TE's HPI product accepts 22 to 32 AWG discrete wire. Remember that the higher the AWG measurement number, the smaller the discrete wire. For example, 32 AWG is smaller than 22 AWG and will likely have less current carrying capacity. HPI products are simple interconnect solutions that can be used to transfer signal or low power in multiple applications across many industries. HPI product may be a good solution to control these types of ancillary items: motor, switch, display, light, or any other similar devices. If your application requires a secure mating retention feature, TE's HPI product lines offer an external locking feature to improve the reliability of the interconnect system. TE's tooling divisions offer a wide range of hand tools, semi-automatic, and automatic tools. Please visit Application Tooling on te.com to determine the product that meets your needs.